Whoa, it's cold today. Happy New Year, everyone. I have not been outside. Well, actually, no, I lie. I have been on a few rides. I've been running, and I've done a lot of Swift. Because if anyone else is like us, our weather has sucked. It's just been loads and loads of snow, which, by the way, was really fun. Made a massive igloo. Took 2 days to build. Melted within like one. But it's just been packed ice. Chill, like freezing cold temperatures, so it's ice. This is the first day and it's not even that great that it looks semi okay, so I'm going to take it as I've got it and I'm going to go out. I was kind of all morning just being like, do I just stay in and do the Swift? No, we're going out. I'm making myself go out, even if I do half the route. I don't care. Outside on a bike is best. Got all the warm layers on, gloves, hat, everything, winter kit on, and we'll just see how this goes. So yeah, just gotta get the bike out now. Easier said than done. Let's go! It's windy and very cold. I think it feels like -2. It's definitely the wind that's bringing that chill. But the jacket's doing really well. Very windproof, so not feeling cold. Just my face. So see, but standard Jenny ride, I'm always going uphill first, so just to get warm. And I got a nice big climb coming soon, so hopefully just hear that wind. It's not too bad though. This way, which looks a bit more blue, so fingers crossed I won't get rained on. Oh, that's the slowest I've probably ever come up that road. It's very windy and I'm about to go up this hill, so I've opened my little vents on the side because I'm cozy now, so I might just unzip a bit, get to the top. I will need these layers later on today because it's still cold. So yeah, just gonna get myself sorted and then head up this climb. I've got the second camera on, so I'll put that on as I go and then I can do a little time lapse of it. It's not the longest hill, but it is a fair bit, and I actually really love this hill, so I'm going to behave and not go mental up it. It's still quite wet and icy in places as well, so I'm just being kind of careful. I missed a little bit of the rain, but I don't think that's it done. I will get definitely rained on at some point today, but it's looking nice up that way. Blue skies. You see the clouds moving quite fast. I should have looked at that before I left. No, I'm out and it's good. Okay, let's go. Okay. Climb is about to start. Right here, and I know it's there. Well, like a good hill, like warming you up. The only reason I know it's still cold is you can see that it's my breath. That really did warm me up. Oh, it was good timing as well, just as I got to the top, the car was passing, so I'm going to sort my layers out again, zip up again, because I'll need it for this downhill. That definitely not my fastest, but I didn't do too bad up that considering. Much looking forward to better weather. It's lovely, but it's wet and cold, but I'm still enjoying it. It's a little better than Swift. Almost at Elgin, well, not really, quite a bit yet, and then I'll turn to come back and hopefully have a little tailwind to come back to. Hard work into this wind. Looking forward to turning around. But I tell you, it's a good workout. Sharp bend. Puddles. This is where I now turn to get absolutely pelted by this headwind. When it gets like through these trees, it gets very open. Leggies. Just have to dig deep for a bit. Not yet. Oh. Enjoy this shelter while I got it. Bye trees. Hello headwind. Ah! Just in the open now. Bloody hell. Just a bit windy. Give themselves self-motivation talk. What's it, self-positive self-talk? They go into headwinds. It's either that or I just swear against Mother Nature for winds, but they have their advantages. They make energy. For windmills, not for me. Good God. Nice smell of turnip to go with it. Oh, that was cold. Just into a headwind the whole way, so my face is freezing. But that's me, like, done the worst of it. Hopefully I'll get a bit of a pushback. Nice sky though. So I got sunglasses on, I can't see a thing. But I need them for the cold and the wet, because it is like really wet on the ground. But I've had good fun. I'll use my phone because the GoPro's... I must have the other battery in, because the other battery that's not the adventure one does not like the cold, and it always just stalls. And if anyone's got tips on how to keep your glasses on your face when you've got your ears covered without tucking them in, because if I tuck them in they hit my helmet, yeah, please let me know. But yeah, I'm just gonna turn round, get a wee push back. But I was saying, like, I think we do, like, I love a hill, but I think it's because I like the challenge of a hill. So the headwinds I'm not very good at, but I do like when I finished it, because I'm like, ah, I did it. But anyway, better get going, and I will check in again soon. Lovely little back roads. They go up and down, up and down. Attack the ridge. Big hope. Right, so this is the main road. It runs from Forest to Elgin, basically Inverness to Aberdeen. Might have heard of it, it's awful. Takes a lot of traffic, big lorries. I am only crossing over, but I have the camera on just in case. And hopefully, the light will come back on. There we go. Just had a wee rest, it's not as angry as it was before. Oh, clear! Oh my word! Can I get over before this car? Go on, go on! That's nice. Hey! That was good. Oh, still cold, but I'm still warm. I've got sunglasses on, so it probably looks a bit darker than it is, but it's not the best of the days, but it's quite nice. It stayed dry, which is the main thing. I'm just on the back roads to King Lost now. These I do quite often, so it's quite nice. You can turn off a bit. There's not much cars that come down here. Such a moody sky, isn't it? It's quite nice. The GoPro just died again. It's definitely the wrong battery in there. I'm looking to replace it with a different thing altogether, but I just have to save up for it just now. It's just not the time of year to be investing in different things, so yeah, I will get that replaced eventually. It's just doing my nutting. Like, there shouldn't be two batteries, one that works in the cold and one that doesn't. They should just all work in cold. It's not even that cold today. Anyway, my rant over again. I'm really glad I came out. It's so nice. It's like really misty and windy, and there is a little bit of rain, but it's kind of over that direction, so I kind of missed it. And these little lovely back roads give me a little bit of protection. Like, I have a nice little quiet bit right now, so I'm gonna get a banana, enjoy my little quiet time, and then head on home, which is down that way. Fair bit to go yet though. I'm glad I did just drop the Swift, because the other thing is in my back of my head is like, if this is going to be the nicest day for a while, I might as well go out and take it and leave those workouts for when I'm just bored stiff at home. And I am very proud of myself. I have been getting on the turbo like twice, maybe 3 times a week if it's rubbish outside, but I'm keeping consistent, which is good. The little one's a little bit more of an age where he can kind of play around and do things himself, but we still, like, Adam will be with him obviously, but I don't feel as much mum guilt. I mean, I feel mum guilt all the time, but you don't feel as guilty when you can hear him like playing away and quite settled and quite happy. So I also just have to get the training in, because I've got a few events that I want to do. So one's in March, actually, it's 100k, and a few in May, and I've got another few adventures that I kind of want to do in the back of my mind, so kind of trying to get some consistent training in for that. So also Swift is very good just now. It's kind of recommending workouts. I'm going to do like a video on the workouts it recommends me for the week, and then see how that goes against how I'm feeling that day. So and then the pros and cons, just so that it's a new feature and it's quite cool, so quite enjoying that. It takes the kind of guesswork out of it. But yeah, I'll get this little snack and then get going. Red flashing that light only means one thing: cyclist. Catch the cyclist, catch the rider. Off I go. Useless psychopath known to man. Look how thin that is. And it's full of potholes and ice usually, so you have to come out of it. But people use this as an indicator that they can hold past you because you're in this safe lane. So normally I just set at the trailer, I sit out a little bit overlined because it's just full of holes. And again, a fairly little smile over your shoulder. Only seen one other rider out today. God, these glasses, they keep... Yeah, one other rider out today, that's it. But it's still been a good day. This jacket's so good and warm, so cosy. That's me home. I didn't film last bit, so it's just coming through forest. I did, however, get a really friendly driver. As you go up over the railway for the last bit, it's quite a steep, lovely tarmac bit, but it's got a good cycle lane on it. And as I was just coming around the corner onto that, there was a car that was just coming in the turning, and he kind of looked at me and I looked at him, and we kind of raced each other up, and he just put me to the post. But it was really nice to have like just a bit of banter up that last little bit. It kind of, because it's such a boring climb, it's just, but when you're doing it at speed, it's quite nice to just put it, like a full effort in. And I'm really glad I pushed myself to get out, because actually overall it was like almost just under 50k and it was a really, really good ride. And the little headwind gave me a challenge, but I am covered in mud. I'm gonna have to just quickly wash off my bike. Stay tuned, I will have some other videos coming up, but the weather has just been awful. But it does look like it's not at least going to be snowing or icy, so we should be able to get out and do some more rides. Thank you for tuning in, as always, and I hope you had a good New Year, and happy Burns Night to all the Scots watching. I will see you in the next video.